Hello, hello. Hello po sa ating lahat. Hello, hello, hello. Ayan, welcome po sa aking live for today. And I hope na mag-enjoy po ang bawat isa. Masyadong maliwanag yung ilaw sa likod ah. Ayan, welcome po sa aking live for today. Time check, 11:54 in the morning here in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Sineset up ko lang ang aking computer kung gumagana sa ating karaoke. Ayan, hello, hello sa 1 million views. Share muna natin ang ating live. I-share ko muna po ang aking live para meron tayong kasama. Hello, 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 hello. Ayan, Ate Luisa, maraming salamat sa pagpunta. Ito ang sayo. Ayan. Okay lang ang boses ko? May echo bang kaunti? Parang mahina ang signal ko ah. ating background kung gumagana. Signal ah. Tama ka naman.
Chasing that A and want to save time on proofreading? Grammarly makes editing one click simpler. We can suggest ways to rephrase whole sentences right in your paper to help you articulate.
Ayan, mega love shout out, Ate Luisa. People left the door and turn the lights down low. Put some music on that's soft and slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about us all day long. Never felt a feeling quite strong. I can't believe about it turns me on. Just to be your man. There's no hurry, don't you worry. We can take our time. Come a little closer, let's go over what I had in mind. People lock the door and turn the lights down low. Put some music on that's soft and slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about us all day long. Never felt a feeling quite strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on. Just to be your man. A million watching in the house. Ayan, thank you so much for watching and joining to my live. Mega love shout out Luis Shadow Vlog sa ating napaka-supportive na ate. Ain't nobody ever loved nobody the way that I love you. We're alone now. You don't know how long I wanted to lock the door and turn the lights down low. Put some music on that's all slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about us all day long. Never felt a feeling that was quite strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on. Just to be your man. I can't believe how much it turns me on. Just to be your man. Maris Black, mega level shout out. Salamat sa pag-thumbs up dyan. Thank you, thank you. Type lang po kayo para ma-shoutout ko po kayo. Sino po ang... Ayan, 7 million in the house. Still connected. Thank you so much. Pwede po kayong mag-request. Basta yung kaya ko lang kantahin. Pag hindi ko kaya, pass muna. And my next song is Takaw Niyo by Lionel Richie. Higop muna ako ng kape at para kondisyon.
Mata, Galaxy Tudong Mutata.
Wala pa tayong almusal. Tanghalian pala. Oo nga, tanghalian. Tanghali na pala dito. Ayan, Takaw Niyo by Lionel Richie. Alam kong alam na alam nyo ang kantang to. Ayan. Thanks for listening and thanks for joining to my live for today. And maraming salamat po. At mamaya po ako mag-shout out. Meron po dito ng special mention. Stuck on you, deep in my soul that I just can't lose. 'Cause I'm on my way. Did it fail? And the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. 'Cause I'm on my way. Particular state. Favorite mo ba? Ayan. Sige, para sa yung song. Maurice Black, thank you so much. Stuck on you, been up for too long. I guess it's time for me to come home. 'Cause I'm on my way. So hard to see that a woman like you wait around for a man like me. 'Cause I'm on my way. Particular state. Thank you, Ate Luisa. Boy, I'm leaving on that midnight train tomorrow, and I know just where I'm going. I pack up my job box and I throw them all away. Yes, this time, little darling, I'm coming home to stay. I'm stuck on you. I've got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. 'Cause I'm on my way. Did it fail? And the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. 'Cause I'm on my way. Particular stay. Yeah, thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. Ayan, hirap kumanta pag bagong gising, pero okay lang. At ipapasahin muna ako sa Messenger. Mahina ang signal ah. Nasa battery ko. Nagkal na. Ayan, salamat. Wonderful tonight. Ayan yung mga old song tayo para maganda. Alam ng lahat. The next song is Wonderful Tonight by Eric Clapton. Ayan, nagpina ng aking signal. Ayan. Bumalik. Late in the evening, just wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long hair. And then she asked me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. Ayan, mega love shout out. Ate Luisa, salamat sa pa-tuning dyan. Comment lang po yung body, and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady that's walking around with me. And then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. Wonderful, because I see the love light in your eyes. And I wonder, all that all, that you just don't realize how much I love you. Time to go home. Masyado excited. Ate Lisa, gusto mong umakyat? Guess kita. It's time to go home now. But I get anything here. So I give her the car keys, and she helps me to bed. And then I tell her, I say turn out the light. Darling, you were wonderful tonight. Oh my darling, you were wonderful tonight. Ayan. Maraming thank you. Ay, namamalan ko daw. Lang. Try ko itong song na to. Here I go again, dripping on my feet. Lately it seems I've been being old flawless me. Mumble when I try to talk, stumble when I try to walk, like I'm on a state of shock when I'm with you. Here I go again, just looking like clown. Everything I say is wrong whenever you're around. Somehow I can be shy, and I can look you in the eye. I get all my proud inside when I'm with you. Think I'm in love again, winning that silly queen. Look what a fool I've been. Think I'm in love again. Lately I've lost my mind, and I do it every time. Yes, I know all the signs of being in love. I won't lie to you, I've been in love before, but I think that you're the one that I've been waiting for. Been around Isle of Beat, but this time all the pieces fit. Something tells me this is it, but I'm with you. Think I'm in love again, reading that silly green. Look what a fool I've been. Think I'm in love again. Lately I've lost my mind, and I do it every time. Yes, I know all the signs of being in love. Ayan, mega shout out sa nanonood ngayon ng ating mama. Mama, I love you po. Salamat. Again, winning that silly green. Look what a fool I've been. Think I'm in love again. Lately I've lost my mind, gonna do it every time. Yes, I know all the signs of being in love. Love song muna tayo, love song. Ayan, mega love shout out, Buena. Buena and Eric and Buena TV. Ayan, ang aking kapatid na bunso. Ayan, salamat. Shout out sa inyo dyan. Especially kay Mama. Mama, kumusta po? Pampatulog agad ang kinanta. Naalala ko lang yung kantang to. At shoutout din po sa pinsan natin diyan sa Kawayan Manito Albay. Kuya June Bahilio and Kuya Judith Bahilio, Ate Lorna Bahilio. Ayan. You need a friend, someone you can turn to, who will understand what you're going through. When it comes to love, there's no easy answer. Only you can say what you're gonna do. I heard you on the phone. You took his number, said you weren't alone, but you'll call him soon. Isn't he the guy who left you crying? Isn't he the one who made you blue? When you remember those nights in his arms, you know you gotta make up your mind. You gotta stay with the one who loves you, or are you going back to the one you love? Someone's gotta cry when they know they lost you. Someone's gotta thank the stars above. Ayan, first time daw ni Kuya Jesus Bahilio. mag-watch ng live na ganito. Ayan, salamat kuya. Ingat kayo dyan palagi at shout out sa inyo lahat dyan. What you gonna say becomes over. There's no easy way to see this through. All the broken dreams, all the disappointments. Oh girl, what you gonna do? Your heart keeps saying it's just not fair, but still you gotta make it your mind. Are you gonna stay with the one who loves you? Or are you going back to the one you love? Someone's gotta cry when they know they lost you. Someone's gotta thank the stars above. Ayan, thank you. Ayan, sige kuya, salamat sa pagdating. Mga old song lang tayo. Ayan, my next song, Lover's Moon by Glenn Frey. There's a lover's moon tonight. That's how I look back over my shoulder. Make a love shout out now. Make a love shout out, Ate Jess. Like the night when I used to hold her. It's out of summer under the lover's moon. Lover's moon, won't you shine on me?
I'm dancing with a memory. I wish I may, I wish I might.
And one last chance to hold her tight, waiting. And I know she's waiting. And I know she's waiting for me under the lover's moon. Sige kuya. Jesus Bahilio, ayan, shoutout ko mamaya yung special mention natin dyan after ng song. Salamat. There's a lover's mood tonight, shining down on half of this world. So many songs around its light, but for me there is just one girl. She's waiting. I know she's waiting. I know she waits for me under the lover's moon. Under the lover's moon. Ayan, natapos na ang Lover's Moon. Ayan, syempre, hindi mawawala yung shoutout natin dito. Ayan, meron pong nagpapa-special mention from Legazpi City. Ayan. Syempre po, special mention sa aking guwapito na pinsan na si Kuya June Bahilyo. Ayan, maraming salamat Kuya. At sa MGBI Guardians, mega love shoutout sa inyo. MGBI, it means Guardians Brotherhood, Mayon Guardians Brotherhood Incorporated. Ayan po, isa po siyang guardian. Ayan, at shoutout din kay Kuya Jubit Bahilyo and sa kanyang pamilya. Ayan. Bahilyo family, mega love shoutout po dyan sa Kawayan, Manito Albay, Adors family, Ardales family. Ayan, mega love shoutout po sa inyong lahat dyan. Salamat po at mabuhay po kayong lahat. Ayan. At siyempre sa aking mga kapatid, shoutout ko muna ang aking Kuya Ruben. Kuya Ruben Ador, ayan, maraming salamat. Ayan, sa napakabait naming panganay na kapatid. Ayan. Siyempre, Kuya Buboy, Kuya Fernando, nasa New Zealand, si Kuya Fernando, si Kuya Francis, nandito sa Jeddah, parehas kami nasa Saudi. Ate Marites, andyan sa Laguna. Ayan, maraming salamat, nandito siya ngayon. Ate Marites, salamat sa pagdating sa live ko. Ate Luisa, siyempre. Ayan, nandyan po si Ate Luisa Ador Vlog, isang small YouTuber. At ayan po ang isa sa very supportive kong sister. Nining, nasa Laguna din po. Naning, ayan dyan sa kakarating lang niya sa Hong Kong. OFW din siya. At si Rowena, nakasama ng aming mahal na nanay, nasa Camarines Norte. Ayan, mega love shoutout po sa inyong lahat. Especially siyempre ang aking mahal na ina, mahal na mama namin. Ayan, mama, kumusta po? Malapit na tayong magkita-kita. Malapit ang aking bakasyon. Ano po ang gusto nyong pasalubong? Ayan, dahil dyan, marami tayong kaibigan. Para sa inyong lahat ito ang kanta ko. The title of my song, Our Friend.
عروض الصيف لدى جرير.
Our Friend, one friend pala, one friend.
حتى 60% على كل
May
الأقسام.
commercial, wait. Ayan, One Friend by Dan Seals. We're the best, I guess I always will. I always felt that we were blessed, and I feel that way still. Sometimes we took the hard road, but we always saw it through. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. Times the world was on our side. Sometimes it wasn't fair. Sometimes he gave a helping hand. Sometimes we didn't care. 'Cause when we were together, it made me dream come true. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. Sige, Ate Alicia, Camel. Camel, pasalubong mo. The one who understands me, who knows me inside out, and who keeps me together, and believes without a doubt that I could move a mountain, someone to tell it to. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. Ayan, shout out po sa mga pinsan ko dyan sa Legazpi City. Manito, Kakawayan, Manito, Albay. 'Cause when we were together, it made the dream come true. If I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you. Someone who understands me and knows me inside out, and God keeps me together and believes without a doubt that I could move a mountain, someone to tell it to. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. Ayan. One friend. Mali yung title ko kanina, Our Friend. Bahilyo, Guardian, San Francisco Chapter, Legazpi City. Ayan. Sabi po ng ating gwapong pinsan ay si June Bahilyo. Ayan. Guardian, San Francisco Chapter, Legazpi City. Legazpi City pala siya. Pero yung nakatira siya sa Kawayan, Manito. Kawayan, Manito, Albay. Tama ba ako? Asan yung kopyahan ko dito? Ito pala. Tama. Kawayan, Manito, Albay. Andyan po yung mga relatives talaga namin. From father's side. Ayan, request na kayo ng kanta. Huwag sarong banggi, ha? Ayan, ano tayo? Love song tayo para maganda. Kenny Rogers. Sige, type nyo lang yung request nyo. Baka kakantahin natin kung kaya ko. Sino yung gustong mag-guest? Para makita naman ng ating mga viewers. Ayan, mega love shoutout sa 8 million people in the house still connected. Salamat po sa sa pakikinig dyan. And mabuhay po tayong lahat. You decorated my life by Kenny Rogers. All my life was a paper, was plain, pure and white. So you move with your pen, changing moods out and there. All the balance was right. Toski TV, ayan ang aking gwapong pinsan. Mega love shoutout sa iyo. Exchange of heart, sige, next yan. Every note was in play. Salamat, salamat. And anybody could see all the changes in me by the look on my face. And you decorated my life, created a world where dreams are apart. There you decorated my life, by beat of your love. all over my heart, decorated my life. Ayan, sabi po ni Ate Luisa, ayan, Cousin Jesus, si Kuya Jun yan, Kuya Jun Tahilio. I can remember no reason, can't feel the song. There was no harmony, life meant nothing to me until you came along. And you brought out the colors. What a gentle surprise. Now I'm able to see all the things life can be, shining so in your eyes. And you decorated my life, created a world where dreams are apart. And you decorated my life by beating your love all over my heart, decorated my life. Ayan, decorated my life. From Taylor Rogers. Ayan, ito na yung exchange of heart mo, pamangkin. Tongski TV, ayan. Try natin to. Nagko-commercial pa. Para may bayad daw, may bayad. Ayan. Ayan, mega shout out sa 8 million people in the house. Once said in love, broke the seas all down, and I feel the drop when I hit the ground. Then you went your way, and I went half wide. And girl, you'd understand if your heart was mine. If we had an exchange of hearts, then you know why I fell apart. You'd feel the pain when the memories start. If we had an exchange of hearts, I'll never wish a lonely heart on you. And each time you fall, I choose to play the fool. One day may come when you'll be in my shoes. Then your heart will break and you feel just like I do. If we had an exchange of hearts, then you know why I fell apart. You feel the pain when the memories start. If we had an exchange of hearts, well, time stirs the tables, and soon I'll be able to find a new romance. And then you remember my love warm and tender. Too late for a second chance. Ayan, salamat. Pamangkin. From CTV sa iyong napakagandang request. Exchange of heart. Ayan, ingat ka dyan sa, ingat ka palagi dyan, pamangkin. Yan ang aking pamangkin na kamukha ko raw, pero mas gwapo siya sa akin. Hindi ko kamukha yun. If we had an exchange of heart, then you know what I felt about. You feel the pain when the memories start. If we had an exchange of heart, if we had an exchange of hearts. Ayan, sabi nila kamukha daw kita, pero mas gwapo ka sa akin.
بروتين بي
Ay, hindi kamukha.
على الصح اشتري العلبة المزدوجة الترويجية امسح واربح جوائز فورية.
Ayan, kamusta kayo dyan? Kamusta yung baby mo? Malaki na, no? Ano pakakantahin natin? Request na kayo, request pa ako. Tawa siya ng tawa. Tama naman ako. She believes in me. Day, light, and night, play my songs. Sometimes all the nights can be so long. And it's good when I finally make it home. All alone, while she lays dreaming. Try to get undressed without a lie. And quietly he says, how was your night? And I come to hear him say, it was alright. And I hold her tight. And she believes in me, and never know just what she sees in me. Amazed, Gabia. Told her someday, if she was my girl, I could change the world with my little songs. I was wrong, but she has faith in me, and so I go trying faithfully. Through those baby of some special night, if my soul is right, I will find a way, while she lays way down. Tumble to the kitchen for a bite. Then I see my old ghetto in the night, just waiting for me like a secret friends. There's nowhere while she lays right. Melody or two, and I'm a turn between the things that I should do. Tapian pamangkin. She says to wake her up, and I'm true. And she believes in me, and never know just what she sees in me. Though someday, If she was my girl, I could change the world with my little song. I was wrong, but she is fading me, and so I go trying faithfully. The who knows, maybe on some special night, if my song is right, I will find a way. I see who's way. As you wait for me. Ayan, amaze tayo, amaze. Sunod na yung request natin para
My job is to make college easier because students have a lot on their
balik. Don't start bang kumanta yan? Shout out, Reynanti Asyado, Joteron Beno Bantugilyo, Ferman Sandy Marigondon, Buena Vista, Legazpi City. Ayan, nag-love shout out sa inyo dyan. Salamat kuya. Every time our eyes met, this feeling inside me is almost more than I can take. Baby, when you touch me, I can feel how much you love me. It just blows me away. Never been this close to anyone or anything. I can hear you talk, I can see your dreams. I don't know where to do what you do. I'm so in love with you. It just keeps getting better. I wanna spend the rest of my life with you by my side, forever and ever. Every little thing that you do, baby, I'm amazed by you. The smell of your skin, the taste of your kiss, the way you whisper in the dark. You feel all around me, baby, you surround me. You dance every place in my heart. Oh, it feels like the first time. Every time I wanna spend my whole life in your eyes. I don't know where to do what you do. I'm so in love with you. It just keeps getting better. I wanna spend the rest of my life with you by my side, forever and ever. And every little thing that you do, baby, I'm amazed by you. Every little thing that you do, I'm so in love with you. It just keeps getting better. I wanna spend the rest of my life with you by my side, forever and ever. Every little thing that you do, whoa, and every little thing that you do, baby, I'm amazed by you. Ayan, thank you, thank you. Ay, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nakikinig dyan. Hindi ko man kayo maisa-isa, pero iisa-isahin ko kayo. Ayan. Inuulit ko yung shoutout. Inuulit ko po yung pinapa-shoutout ni Kuya Jesus Bahilio. Shoutout Reynante Asiado, June Lerondino, Bandugilio. Ayan. Foreman Sandy Marigondon ng Buena Vista, Legazpi City. Ayan, mega love shoutout po sa inyong lahat yan. Keep safe po. At sino ang gustong mag-guest at papakyatin natin para naman, ayan, pag may link pang lumabas, click nyo lang yung link. Wala pa na. Kanina pa pala nanonood, meron palang akong nakaligtaan. Ayan. Mega love shout out sa aking aking kapamilya. Ayan, Ate Betty. Ate Betty Bugayan Ador. Ayan, mega love shout out sa iyo at sa iyong asawa na si Kuya Fernando. Kuya Nunoy, Kuya Fernando Ador na nasa New Zealand ngayon. Ayan, salamat sa pag-tune in, pag-stay at shout out din kay JJ sa inaanak ko diyan, na pangalan yung anak JJ Lalaine at kay si Kyle. Ayan, Kylie. Shout out. Eric and Buena TV, shout out sa Labo, Camarines Norte. Shout out sa Sangguniang Barangay ng Lugi, Labo, Camarines Norte. Ayan at salamat sa pag-remind sa akin diyan sa bayang Sinilangan ni Musikerong Bicolano. Sino pa ba ang hindi ko na shout out? Ayan, meron bang kasamang chup-chup? Ayan, nag-request si Ate Tess. Mataas yung kantang yan. Pwede bang 214? 214. Try natin yan, ha? Tatry ko lang. Pag hindi ko na kaya, bahala na si Batman. Yung ba dito ang 2 years? Dito ang mas maganda. Acoustic. Para okay. Something new in my life? Hindi ko ata alam yan ah. Am I real? Do the word I speak before you make you feel that the love I have for you will see no ending? Well, if you look into my eyes, that you should know you have nothing to do, nothing to fear. And you can lay your questions down, cause if you hold me, so I can fit into the night when you know the words goodbye and everything in my life, still you shall cry. Cause time may pass, but the longer that I last, I'll be by your side. Taas dito. Something new in my life. Something new in my life. Na 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 na. Sige, try natin. Take my hand and gently close your eyes so you could understand that there's no greater love tonight than what I owe you. Will it feel the same before I can't let go? You turn to the ground and no one knows. Let me show my darling, tell me that you love me, so I can fit into the night and you know the words goodbye and everything may lie, still you shall find. Cause time may pass, but I'm longer than I'll last. I'll be by your side, ever by your side. Welcome, Ate Tess. Request mo yung mga kapanahunan mo, huwag yung bago. Yung mga, ano ba yung mga kinakanta mo dati noon? I want you to know the words goodbye and everything may lie, still you shall find. Because time may pass, but I'm longer than I'll last. I'll be by your side, ever by your side. Ano ba yung favorite niya Ate Tess na kanta? Mga kapanahonan natin pala. Ito, A Soldier of Fortune. Ito yung mga team song ng mga sundalo. Team song ng mga sundalo to ha. I have told stories about the way lead the light of drifter, waiting for the day when I'll take your hand and sing your songs, then maybe you will take. Come lay with me and love me, and I will surely stay. But I feel I'm growing older, and the songs that I have sung echo in the distance, like a sound of a wheel go around. Yes, I always be a soldier of fortune. Hindi ko naman alam yan, Ate Tess. Kuya Jun, mag-request ka na. Many times I've been a traveler. Days are long, the night will come. Wonder without you. Those days I thought my eyes and see standing near. The weather is confusing. It shows that you're not here. Now I feel I'm growing older. And the songs that I have sung echo in the distance, like a sound of the wind that go around. Yes, I'll always be a soldier of fortune. I can hear the sound of the wind that go around. Yes, I'll always be a soldier of fortune. Yes, I'll always be a soldier of fortune. Yan po ang team song ng mga sundalo. Iwan ko lang yung team song ng Kafgo, hindi ko alam. Team song po yan ng sundalo. Soldier of Fortune. Tama ba ako? Medyo masigla naman tayo. Ayan. Ate Tess, hindi ko alam yung anong yan. There's talk on the street, it sounds so familiar. Great expectations, everybody's watching you. People you meet, they all seem to know you. Even your old friends treat you like you're something new. Johnny come lately, then you get in town. Everybody loves you, so don't let them down. You look in her eyes, then music begins to play. Hopeless romance, here we go again. But after a while you look the other way. It's those restless hearts that never end. Oh, Johnny come lately, then you get in town. Everybody loves you, so don't let them down. Ha? Mataas na pala dun. Dalitan. Ralipo-lipi. Stitches and born. Ayan. New wave naman tayo, new wave. People say that I'm a fool, well I don't know. Yes, I found out what it takes to be strong. I was dreaming all day long, a drifting cloud. With eyes wide open, I would choose not to see. No, I don't want to see you anymore. Don't want to be the one to play your game. Not even if your smile is sweet as mine. Not even if you beg me silently. Say good morning to the world. I hope you like it. Take good care of all those things that we have. I've been looking for a way for too long now. Seems like everything must come to an end. Hanip sa request. To see you anymore. Don't want to be the one to play your game. Inubot tuloy ako sa sa request ng aking kapatid. Natatawa ako. Ayan. Ay, mega love shout out Nets Bernal. Shout out man po sa agum ko. Solo sa San Francisco, Legazpi City. And Nedi Asyado. Ayan, mega love shout out po. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa pagdating sa ating live. See you anymore. Don't want to be the one to play your game. Not even if your smile, your sweetest smile. Not even if you beg me time, please. Time after time, nothing that I can do. Knowing your ways and loving your ways, but not getting through at all. Day after day, leaving the past behind. Coming to terms with stitches and burns, and learning to fly again. Now I don't want to see you anymore. Don't want to be the one to play your game. Not even if your smile, your sweetest smile. Not even if you beg the time, please. Now I don't want to see you anymore. Don't want to be the one to play your game. Not even if your smile, your sweetest smile. Not even if you beg the time, please. Closer, you and I na lang. Hindi na yung nasa iyo na ang lahat. Hindi ko alam nga yun eh. Ikaw talaga, Ate Tess. Talagang updated ka sa mga bagong kanta. Mamapasana all tayo dyan. Sana all. Tawa si Ate Luisa eh. Hanip sa request. Dapat dinagdagan mong, Ate Luisa. Hanip sa request, pamatay. Ayan, this is your requested song, Ate Tess. Hey, there's a look in your eyes. Must be love at first sight. You are just part of a dream. Nothing more, so it seems. But my love, you didn't wait much longer. Just can't forget a picture of your smile. 'Cause every time I close my eyes, you came alive. The closer I get to touching you, the closer I get to loving you. Give it time, just a little more time. We'll be together. Every little smile, that special smile, twinkle in your eyes and little while. Give it time, just a little more time, so we can get closer. You and I. Then couldn't love you more, so much stronger than before. Why does it seem like a dream? So much more, so it seems. I guess I found my inspiration. We just walk by, you take my breath away. So hold me close and say you'll stay with me now. The closer I get to touching you, the closer I get to loving you. Give it time, just a little more time. We'll be together. Even a little smile, that special smile, twinkle in your eyes and little while. Give it time, just a little more time, so we can get closer. You and I. Ayan, salamat. Pinapakaganda mong music. Ayun, hindi na yun. Natayo na ang lahat. Ayan. Ano ba ang magandang kanta?
التميز بالأناقة يجدد فينا الذكريات. بالجديد معكم نتشارك وعيدكم مبارك.
Wala nang braso. Ayan, maraming salamat sa nakakinig. Salamat mga kapatid. Baby, close and deep, it was hard through the years. I'll never give up, never one of my dreams. And deep inside, is my love still alive? And God only knows that I can't let you go. When I'm alive, it will be for better. I'll give you my heart forever and ever. No one can never hold you more than I do. No one can ever love you, girl, me too. No one can ever hold you more than I do. You came to me from heaven, girl, it's true. And if I ever lose your love, and if I ever lose your heart, oh baby, I'm dying for your love. Welcome, Ate Tess. Ayan, alam na alam niyo ang song na to. 19 ano to, 80s. Baby, now I'm alone, and I try to be strong, but my baby, I cry silent tears without cry, and I can't hold on to the feeling that's gone, and there's nothing to lose, 'cause I'm playing the fool. Whenever let it will be for better, I'll give you my heart forever and ever. No one can ever hold you more than I do. Human can never love you, baby, it's true. No man can never hold you more than I do. You came to me from heaven, girl, it's true. And if I ever lose your love, and if I ever lose your heart, baby, I'm dying for your love. And if I ever lose your smile, if I ever lose your heart, everybody needs someone to love, and I say, no one can ever hold you more than I do. No one can ever love you, girl, it's true. No one can ever hold you more than I do. You came to me from heaven, yes, it's true. Yan. Baba. Tagalog tayo, Tagalog. OPM. Minus 1 to ah. Bakit ba kailangan pang sabihin kong mahal kita? Sa kilos ko'y hindi mo ba nakikita? Nadarama, ikaw lang ang dalawa. Bakit di mo pagbigyan puso kong nagmamahal? Tanggapin itong pag-ibig na alay para sa'yo nagkalaan. Rayo Speedway gone, can't fight this feeling anymore. I can't fight this feeling any longer, and yet I'm still afraid to let it flow. What started out as friendship has grown stronger. If only this I had the strength to let it show. I tell myself that I can't hold out forever. Is there is no reason for my fear? I feel secure when we're together. You keep a life direction, make everything so clear. So I wonder, I'm keeping you inside. Girl, I can't believe the window on a cold dark weather's night. And I'm getting closer than I ever thought I might. And I can't fight this feeling anymore. I forget what I started fighting for. It's time to bring this ship into the shore. To wait yours forever. 'Cause I can't fight this feeling anymore. I forget what I started fighting for. If I have to crawl up on the floor, come pressing to your door, baby, I can't fight this feeling anymore. Can't be with you tonight. Bye. Okay, kuya, sige. Copy and copy. My life's been such a whirlwind since I saw you. I've been running around in circles in my mind, and it always seems that I'm following you, girl. You to take me to the places that I want at every time. And even if I wonder, I can feel you inside. You're a can't believe you know, but a cold dark weather's night. And I'm getting close to it, I ever thought I might. I can't fight this feeling anymore. I forgot what I started fighting for. Time to bring this ship into the shore, and to wait yours forever. 'Cause I can't fight this feeling anymore. I forgot what I started fighting for. If I have to crawl up on the floor, come crossing to your door, baby, I can't fight this feeling anymore. Irene.
5, 8, 7, 4.
Alang kau garo ini kuya. Pambaba. Sige na. Garo kita nasa bailihan kayo ni. Garo kita nasa bailihan. If I love was in peace with me tonight. Pero kita nasa bailihan kayo ni. I would live with you for just a little while. but I love him the same way as I love you now. And I'm sorry I can't be with you tonight. Though I want to hold you in my arms tonight, I couldn't take the chance 'cause it won't be right. Maybe when we met again some other time, 'cause tonight I only share my love with him. So please understand my situation. I love you, but I cannot be with you. If I could be in two places at the same time, believe me, I will share my love with you. Garap kita nasa bailehan kayo ni Kuya. Nag-aalap ng daragang magayon. Ay, sus. Ayan. Shout out sa inyo dyan, sa Adors family, sa Bahilyo family at Ardales family yung pa-shout out mo sa akin. Ayan, lahat ng vlog ko, isasama kita, Kuya. So please understand my situation. I love you, but I cannot be with you. If I could be in two places at the same time, believe me, I would share my love with you. Believe me, I would share my love with you. Believe me, I would share my love with you. Believe me, I would share my love with you. Ayan. Wala na bang request? Ayan, shout out sa inyong lahat. Hindi ko na mamimension ng nyo. Isa-isa, maraming salamat sa lahat. Ayan, love song tayo, love song.
From heartwarming magic
I will save the magic.
to heart-stopping drama,
I love you, Meredith Grant.
and from
Tagpo na nating 2 oras. Many times Wish you were here through the velvet shadows of my dreams. Many times I wish you were near to the darkness I became, but it seems that you never said what I needed to hear. Just tell me you love me. Whisper words I so long to hear. Let this time not be borrowed. Let it be ours to share. If you tell me you love me, it will lead the way to your heart. Through the numbness of silence, you love me. Brightly, wait up for the memory born of our first kiss. Patiently, wait up for the moment you would take me to the world that I never said the girl before. Just tell me you love me. Whisper words I so long to hear. Let this time not be borrowed. Let it be ours to share. If you tell me you love me, it will lead the way to your heart. Through the numbness of silence, you love me. Love me. Yan, love song. Mahilig kasi ako sa love song, kaya ang boses ko pang love song lang eh. Hindi sa akin pwede yung mga cha-cha. Cha-cha, tango, boogie, hindi pwede sa boses ko. You're the peace of mind in this crazy world. Everything I tried to find, your love is a pearl. You're my Mona Lisa. You're my rainbow skies. And my only prayer is that you realize you'll always be beautiful in my eyes. World will turn and the seasons will change, and all the lessons we will learn will beautiful and strange. We'll have our parallel years, our shared side. My only prayer is that you realize you'll always be beautiful in my eyes. You will always be beautiful in my eyes. In the passing years will show that you will always grow even more beautiful in my eyes. found my face from a lifetime of smiles. And when the time comes to embrace for one long last while, we can laugh about how time really flies. We won't say goodbye, 'cause true love never dies. Will always be beautiful in my eyes. You will always be beautiful in my eyes. And the passing years will show that you will always grow even more beautiful in my eyes. Passing years will show that you will always grow even more beautiful in my eyes. Yan. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa pag-tune in at pakikinig sa ating musika. Maraming salamat po. Hindi ako magsasawang magpasalamat sa inyo. Ayan, lalo na sa aking pamilya, sa mga aking pinsan. Ayan. God, that you can't believe that you are real. How did I ever find you? You are the dream that saved my life. You are the reason I survive. Baby, never thought that I could love someone as much as I love you. I know it's crazy, but it's true. I never thought that I could need someone as much as I need you. I love you. Girl, I hold you. Oh, girl, you smile, light up the sky. You are too beautiful for the human eye. You are the dream that never dies. You are the fire that burns inside. Baby, never thought that I could love someone as much as I love you. I know it's crazy, but it's true. Whoa, never thought that I could need someone as much as I need you. You are the sunshine in the sky. You are the spark in my eyes. Whoa, never thought that I could love someone as much as I love you. I know it's crazy, but it's true. Never thought that I could need someone as much as I need you. I love you.
This is brioche, a premium bread, soft and rich in ingredients, turning every meal into a unique experience. Brioche from Luzine, an enriching experience.
You by Basil Valdez. You give me hope, the strength to will could be wrong. No one else can make me feel this way. Only you can bring out all the best I can do. I believe you turn the tide, make me feel we're good inside. Boost me up when I'm about to give up. On my side when no one seems to listen. And if you go, you know the tears can't help but show. You break this heart and tear it apart. Then suddenly the madness starts. It's your smile, your face, your lips that I miss. Those sweet little lies they say will be and make me stay. I'm with you through all the way, 'cause it's you who fills the emptiness in me. Sing is everything you see. Well, I know I've got you with me. Lose me up, I'm about to give up. You're on my side when no one seems to listen. If you go, you know the tears can help but show. That and tear it apart. Suddenly the madness starts. It's your smile, your face and lips that I miss. The sweet little lies there with me will make me stay. I'm with you through all the way, 'cause it's you who fills the emptiness in me. You sing is everything you see. Well, I know I've got you with me. It's your smile, your face, your lips that I miss. Those sweet little lies there will be, it make me say. I'm with you through all the way, 'cause it's you who fills the emptiness in me. You sing is everything you see. When I know I've got you will be. Will be. Tomorrow. Alam ko ba yun? Pag-aralan ko to, kuya. Marco season pala to. I'll face tomorrow, leaving my tears behind. That there's a put out on my mind, and I live my life anew. No place for sorrow. Happiness fills my eyes. I know I should have realized that love is always you. So many times I cried, trusting in love just wasn't true. All through the years you tried to show that my love was meant for you. Tama ba yung tono ko? Ngayon ko lang kinanta to, promise. Narinig ko lang ito kay Papa. I'll face tomorrow, feeling your love so strong. I know that nothing could go wrong as long as I have you. No place for sorrow. Happiness fills my eyes. I know I should have realized that love was always you. So many times I cried, trusting in love that wasn't true. All through the years you tried to show that my love was meant for you. Ewan ko kung tama yung tono ko. Ay! Hindi. Make believe. Ang Marcos na sinakanta. Alone, alone, pretending love would come along. And even when you're gone, still that love lingers on. And suddenly, the same. Just like this. No. naman tayo, bread. Mga kanta ng tinapay. Oh, stand alone. I always thought that I could make it on my own. But since you left, it's hard to make it through the day. My tears get away, let the back stay. I wander through the night, 'cause there's a word for the word to make it right. All I want is the way it used to be, but you were holding me and got amazing. That I'm lost without the love. Life without you isn't worth the trouble of. If I was helpless as a sheep without a wheel, and that's when I feel I can't believe it's real. And someday I'll awake and find my heart will have to break. Clear pa ba ako sa inyo? Clear pa ako sa inyo? Yes, I'm lost without your love. Life without you isn't worth its trouble of. But all I want is the way it used to be. I need you here with me. Oh, darling, can't you see? Shout out, Jenny Constantino Dinosa. We can have it all back once more. Thank you. Bread tayo, bread. Make it with you.
Introduce me. Here I come.
Bread naman tayo para okay lang yung tono. Kayang-kaya. Make it with you. Hey, you have never tried really reaching out for the other side. Baby, climbing on the rainbows, but baby, here goes. Dreams that for those who sleep. Life is for us to keep. And if you're wondering why the song's leading to, I wanna make it with you. I really think we could make it, girl. Though you don't know me well, never little thing, only time will tell. But you believe the things that I do, and we'll see you through. Life can be short or long. Love can be right or wrong. And if I choose the one I like to help me through, I would like to make it with you. I really think that we could make it, girl. Ayan, shout out po sa inyong lahat. Especially sa aking pinsan, si Jesus Bahilio. From Awayan, Manito, Albay. Kuya, maraming salamat, kuya. Baby, you know that dreams never don't to sleep. That peace for us to keep. And if I choose the one I like to help me through, I would like to make it with you. I really think that we could make it, girl. Ayan. Kita ko lang to, America, all my life. All my life, without a doubt, I give you all my life. Now and forever till the day I die. You and I will share all the things the changing world can offer. The song I sing, I'll be happy just to stay this way. This very stay with you. There was a time that I just thought that I would lose my mind. You came along and then the sun did shine. Got it on my way. I do recall that every moment spent was wasted time. But then I choose to lay it on the line. Put the past away, put the past away, put the past away. Mega love shout out, anak ko. Tiesa, love you, nak. All my life, I will carry you through. All my life, between each hour of the passing days, I will stay with you. There was a time that I just thought that I would lose my mind. You came along and then the sun did shine. Away, I do recall. Okay, maraming salamat din, kuya, sa pag-stay sa aking live. Ayan, hayaan mo. Palagi kitang isa-shoutout sa aking mga i-upload na video. With all my life, want this 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 all my life. America naman, America, Inspector Mills. Inspector Mills, I'd like to tell you to the girl I saw that a party just other night, Beverly Hills. Inspector Mills, I hope you find it and it don't take long. What's my feelings for growing strong and war on wheels? Inspector Mills, I can't attempt to point you in a direction. I didn't see you walking out of the door. If I were taking my time, she'd be standing here still. Inspector Mills, I recall once in my life felt this way before, but I let her go and closed the door, walk away. Inspector Mills, I can't attempt to show the hurt in me, just how much I need her company. Search the valleys of the hills, you gotta find her, Mr. Mills. I can't attempt to point you in the direction. I was blinded by the look in her eye. If I had taken my time, she'd be saddened and still. Inspector Mills. Ooh, someday soon I might be in love with her. I guess you're taken, well look around. I guess I heard word from underground. It's gone for good. Inspector Mills, is that a cry for like me? I'm trying to use your time, cause I wanna see just and real. Inspector Mills, I can't attempt to point you in a direction. I didn't see you walking out of the door. If I had taken my time, she'd be standing her still. Inspector Mills, and to point you in a direction. I was blinded by the look in her eyes. If I just followed you, then I wouldn't follow you. Ayan, ito ba? Request na kayo. Kita by Gina Padilla. Gusto kita, puso ko'y ikaw lang ang mahalaga. Liting bang limutin ka ay hindi ko magagawa. Parang alipin mo ang isip at damdamin ko. Gusto kita, pagkat ang kilos mo'y sadyang ibang-iba. Mahinhin at malambing pa, katangi ay di mo sadya. Pag-ibig kong ito'y hindi na magbabago pa. Kahit sabihin na mali ako, alipin mabihag mo, ako'y iyong-iyo. Kung pag-ibig lang ang pag-uusapan, di ko na'y lilihim pa ang damdamin ko sa'yo. Sa akin ay gusto kita. Kahit sabihin na mali ako, alipin mo, bihag mo, ako'y iyo. Kung pag-ibig lang ang pag-usapan, di ko na lilihim pa ang damdamin ko sa'yo. Sa akin ay gusto kita. Gusto kita, kadang kilos mo'y sadyang ibang-iba. Mahinhin at malambing pa, katangi ay di mo sadya. Pag-ibig kong ito'y hindi na magbabago pa. Kahit sabihin na mali ako, alipin mo, bihag mo, ako'y iyo. Kung pag-ibig ang pag-uusapan, di ko na lilihim pa ang damdamin ko sa'yo. Tari natin tong House of the Rising Sun. Ayan, request mo Kuya Jun. Ito na yung House of the Rising Sun. Sa Tagalog, mukhang liwayway. There's a house in New Orleans. They call rising sun. Feel the strong, no medical boy. And God, I know I'm one. Taas dito kuya, grabe ka. My brother was not saying long. Sit on you for years. My father was again man down and you falling. Alangkaw ng kantang ini. Jesus Maria Jose. Again, as soon as the throne, satisfied with all the time. Isunod mo na ang Temple of the King. Kailan kasabayan niya ang Temple of the King? Ay, sorry na time out ko. Ganun. Sorry kuya, napindot ko yung ano. Ano ba to? Ano napindot ko dito? Ba't ganun? Sorry kuya, napindot ko yung time out. Ano pagbalik nito? Time out by 300 seconds. Ibabalik din niya, babalik din. Napindot ko lang. Kuya, ito, Temple of the King, alam mo to, sigurado. Siguradong aram na aram mo yung kantang ini. Ayan. May napindot ako sa iyo eh, nang time out na eh. One day, the year of the Pax came a time, remember where? When strong young men of the rising sun heard the trolling of the great black bear. One day in the year of the Pax, when the bell began to ring, when a time had come for the one to go to the Temple of the King. There in the middle of the circle is there, searching, seeking. We just walked out to be trembling, and the answer will be found. Daylight waits while the old man sings, heaven help me. And then like the rust of 1,000 wings, just about me one, and the day has just begun. One day, the year of the Pax came a time remembered where one strong young man of the rising sun heard the trolling of the great black bear. One day, the year of the Pax, when the bell began to sing, when I was gathered want to go to the Temple of the King. There in the middle of the people is dancing, feeling with just one wave of the strong right hand is gone to the Temple of the King. Nahali, tanong nahali. Hindi nga ni. Ate baby, dahil man baga? Di ba naan? May ba? Igwa baga? May pamagat baga? Aring kanta? Abayay, day man yan. On the child alone and wild, God need make his son. He sent one man for different work, then his heart was known to none. There is woman when this lone and solitary way. Then I gave to me a gift I know I'll never can repay. Power of love. You and I, a simpler pain. To be a soldier once, but his music wouldn't pay. Just love to discipline, told him to be there. Just to get on top, if I give up, I'll figure out about this night. His eyes were growing old, but his blood runs through my hands, and this all in my soul. I like it, man. I'm just a living legacy to the leader of the band. Note dyan, Kuya Jun, Power of Love. Sinong kumanta nga yan? Different, oh they heard another call. One man to Chicago and the other to St. Paul. And I am Colorado and I'm not in some hotel, living out this life I've chosen and come to know so well. Power of love. Dilintion? Taas naman ito, kuya. Wala ka. Walang tao din eh. Walang kao ng Power of Love. Asa ka tayo sa bangko. time, running by like in the night. As I look in your eyes, I hold on to your body. You feel it's moving me. Your voice is warm and now the love that I could not forsake. 'Cause I'm your lady and you are my man. Whenever you reach for me, walang tao. I do all that I can. Lost that I'm feeling, lying in your arms. When the world outside too much that I need you. Even though there may be time, it seems I'm far away. Never wonder where I am, 'cause I'm always by your side. 'Cause I'm your lady and you are my man. Whatever you need from me, I do all that I can. But it is for something somewhere I'll never be. Sometimes I am bright, but I'm really to learn of the power of love. Yung version ng panlalaki natin, taas. The sound of your heart beating when it feels suddenly. The feeling that I can't go on, slide years away. 'Cause I'm your lady, you are my man. Whenever you reach for me, I've gotta do all that I can. We're heading for something, somewhere I'll never be. Sometimes I am frightened, but I'm ready to learn a better power of love. The power of love. Power of love. Sometimes I am frightened, but I'm ready to learn about the power of love. overall life. Kung babaeng version naman tayo, pero lalaking gagamitin natin. I hear the ticking of the clock. I'm lying here, the wrong speed to start. I wonder where you are tonight. No answer on the telephone. The night goes by so very slow. Oh, I hope that it won't end all alone. Till now, I've always got by on my own. I never really cared till I met you. And now it chills me to the bone. How do I get you alone? How do I get you alone? You don't know how long I have been there to touch your lips and hold you tight. Whoa, you don't know how long I've waited. What's gonna tell you tonight? But the secret is still my own, and my love for you is still unknown. Alone. Oh, oh, till now, I've always gone by on my own. I never really cared till I met you. And now choose me to the bone. How do I get you alone? How do I get you alone? You alone. How do I get you alone? Alone, alone.
Go on, leave me breathless.
Yeah. The daylight's fading slowly. The time when you is standing still. I'm waiting for you only. The light that I feel so weak. Cannot lie. From you I cannot hide. I'm losing to try. Can't hide it, can't fight it. So go on, go on. Come on, leave me breathless. Tell me, tease me. till I can't deny this loving feeling. Make me fall for your kiss. Go on, go on. Yeah, yeah, come on. Yeah. And if there's no tomorrow, then I'll be happy here and now. I'm happy just I have you. You're all the love I need somehow. It's like our dream. Hold out and let us sleep. And then never want to wake up. Don't lose it, don't leave it. So go on. Come on, leave me breathless, strip me, this me, till I can't deny this loving feeling. Saktuin natin 3 oras. Sayang. Got a summer man, go to life. He was one, came around like rusted in the tide. Show me what is what to cry when you couldn't beat at my guitar. You don't seem to know, seems to care what your heart is for. No, I don't know it anymore. Nothing real, just a lie. Conversation as one try. That's what's going on. Nothing's by your time. I'm a little pain. This is how I feel. I'm gonna not much shame. Lying naked on the floor. Illusion never changed. Turn to something real. When I wake and I can see there's nothing start the storm. You're a little late. I'm already tired. So I guess the fortune still is right. You have seen this right out there, is that some holy light? But that road fitted when Vince said no, I don't care, I don't like, I don't miss you all that much. There's so many things that I can't absorb. I'm a little pain. This is how I feel. I'm gonna numb my shame, lying naked on the floor. Illusion never changed into something real. I'm awake and I can see this perfect sky is torn. You're a little late, I'm already tired. Tired. Nothing right, I'm torn. I'm out of pain. This is how I feel. Call them not my shame. Lying naked on the floor. We shall never change into something real. And I'm away and I can see the perfect sky is torn. I'm all out of pain. This is how I feel. How I was shaped, but I'm broken on the floor. You're a little late. I'm already torn. Torn. Dust in the wind. Ito na kuya, ang dust in the wind mo. Kansas. Last 10 minutes tayo. Dapat tayo ipasok pa. I close my eyes only for a moment, and the moment's gone. All my dreams pass before my eyes, a curiosity, dust in the wind. All the air is dust in the wind. Sing old song, just a drop of water near the sea. All we do, crumble to the ground, so you refuse to see. Dust in the wind, all we are is dust in the wind. Oh, ganda ng kantang to, no? Now, hang on. Nothing lasts forever, but the earth and sky sleeps away. All your money won't another minute behind. Dust in the wind. All we are is dust in the wind. Dust in the wind. Everything is dust in the wind. Ayan, ito, mga alam mo ito kuya. Kapanahonan natin to. Sound of Silence by Simon and Garfunkel. Darkness on my pen, come to talk to you again. Because a vision softly creeping left the seats while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains. Within the sound of silence, restless dreams I walk alone. Narrow streets of cobblestone, at the hollow of the street lamp, turned I call out to the cold and down. When my eyes were served by the flash of a neon light, split the night, and that's the sound of silence. And then the naked light I saw. 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking. People hearing without listening. People writing songs that their voices never share. No one there disturb the sound of silence. Oh, Sarah, you don't know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my voice that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might teach you. But my words fly like the silence raindrops fell. And go. Paano daw? Wilderness of silence. Kalimutan ko to, no? And then the people go and pray to the neon god they made. And the sign flashed out this morning. And the words that I had was for me. And the signs that the words of the prophet was for. And whisper the sound of silence. Ayan, mega love shout out sa kumpare ni shout out kumpare Joseph Bansuela, Manito Albay. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa pag-shout out. Manito Albay, Alex Avion, Noel Santillan, and Roy Balonso. Ayan, maraming salamat. Ayan, sabi ni Ate Luisa, ang aking kapatid, hello sa taga Manito Albay, greetings from Hong Kong. Ayan, maraming salamat sa pag-stay sa aking live. Request lang po kayo at kakantahin natin. Take Me Home Country Roads tayo. Ayan, by John Denver. Take Me Home Country Roads. Ayan, mega love shout out sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat. Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life is older than the trees, younger than the mountains, growing like a breeze. Country roads take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia. Mountain mama, you take me home, country road. All my memories gather around here. My nice lady, stranger to blow water. Dark and dusty, painted on the sky. Misty days of moonshine, raindrops in my eyes. Country roads take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia. Mountain mama, take me home, country road. I hear a voice in the morning as she calls me. The radio reminds me of my home far away. Travel down the road, I get a feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Country roads take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country road, take me home. The Lion King. Ano bang kanta ng The Lion King? Ayan, ito pa yung The Lion King.
PH.
Ito yung nakakatakot na kanta. Kasi may tigre. There's a calm surrender to the rush of day, when the heat of a rolling wave can be turned away. An enchanted moment, and it is we true. It's enough for this restless warrior just to be with you. And can you feel the love tonight? It is where we are. It's enough in this world. I wonder that we got this far. And can you feel the love tonight? Now we try to rest. It's enough making sand vagabonds believe the very best. Nerds Bernal, shout out to you. Kaya gawin kita moderator para isang pagkulay na. Pwede kang sabihin mo yung baby ko. Ito natin yan. It's all in turn, rhyme reason to the wild outdoors. When the heart starts to cross border, beats and time with yours. And can you feel the love tonight? It is where we are. It's enough on this world. I wonder that we got this far. And can you feel the love tonight? Now we turn to rest. It's enough to making sand vagabonds believe the very best. It's enough to making sand vagabonds believe the very best. Hindi ko pa kinakanta yung baby ko nga, pero try ko, ha? Narinig ko lang to. Sige, ito na po yung request nyo. Nets Bernal. Baby ko, musta ka na? Ako ba'y iniisip mo pa? Baby ko, hanggang saan ang tamis ng iyong pagmamahal? Ako ba'y iyong mahihintay sa kabila ng ating mga away? Kung sakaling ayaw mo na sa akin, baby ko, patuloy kang mamahalin. Kung sino may ating dalawa, kung sa tingin mo ay baby, ikaw pinatawag na kita. At kung ako ang dahilan ng ating pagkakalayo, baby ko, patawarin mo ako. Baby ko, kumusta ka na? Ako ba'y iniibig mo ba? Baby ko, hanggang kailan? Pangako ng iyong pagmamahal, ako ba'y iyong mahihintay sa kabila ng ating mga away? Hindi ko masyadong kabisado. Sakaling ayaw mo na sa akin, baby ko, patuloy kang mamahalin. Sino man ang may kasalanan sa ating dalawa, tingin mo, baby, pinatawad na kita. Kung ako ang dahilan ng ating pagkakalayo, baby ko, patawarin mo ako. Pasensya na po, ngayon ko lang talaga ito kinanta, promise. Narinig ko lang to. Night Luminda pala yung kumanta noon. Try nga natin yung mga kanta niya. Alam nga ba yung kanta niya na ano? Ikaw ang dahilan. Ayun, ito. Ikaw ang dahilan. Parang alam ko to, ah. Night Luminda. Ikaw ang dahilan. Yan, shoutout sa 8 million in the house. Mr. Rain TV, mega love shoutout. Salamat sa pagdating. Bakit ba kung ika'y aking nakikita, puso ko ay kumakaba? Pag nasilayan ko ang iyong ganda. Puso ko ay nababalisa sa tuwing ika'y katabi. Ako'y di mapakali, walang ibang iniisip kundi ikaw lagi. At sinubukan kong ika'y kalimutan, kahit anong gawin di ko makakayanan, pagkat ikaw ang laman ng puso ko't isipan sa araw at gabi. Ikaw ang dahilan, hindi ako makatulog sa kakaisip sa'yo, pagkat ikaw, sinta, ikaw ang dahilan. Meron ba? Sige, sige. Hanggang sa araw na sinabi ko sa'yo na ikaw ang tinitibok ng puso ko. Itong nadarama ay para lang sa'yo. Asahan mong ito, sinta, ay di maglalaho, pagkat ikaw ang laman ng puso ko't isipan sa araw at gabi. Ikaw ang dahilan, pangarap ko'y nabuhay, mundo ko'y nagkulay, pagkat ikaw, sinta, ikaw ang dahilan. Pasigihan ko na ang live ko at punta muna tayo sa premiere ni Mr. Rain. Ikaw ang laman ng puso ko't isipan sa araw at gabi. Ikaw ang dahilan, pangarap ko'y nabuhay, mundo ko'y nagkulay, pagkat ikaw, sinta, ikaw ang dahilan, ikaw ang laman ng puso ko't isipan sa araw at gabi. Ikaw ang dahilan, at sa araw na ito, sumpa ko sa iyo, habang buhay ay ikaw ating mahal. Mr. Rain, Mr. Rain TV. Ayan, punta ako dyan. Premiere mo, ay ito.
لك أجدد ألعاب الفيديو من برايم جيمنج بس ب 16 ريال شهريا. جربها مجانا ل 30 يوم.
Tatamsa ako. Tamsa. Ayan. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat at dito naman ko muna tatapusin ang aking live. At salamat sa suporta nyo. Nakatatlong oras tayo sa awa ng Diyos. Ayan. Ayan, shout out sa inyong lahat. See you again sa ibang araw po. Ayan, hanggang sa muli. This is Musikerong Bicolano. Nagsasabing Diyos mabalos sa Induga Boss. Thank you so much. End ko muna ang aking live. Ayan. End broadcast. Thank you.